guys, Alicia here, your Close to My Heart independent consultant, and I am here today to show you the completed Heart Happy bundle kit. So this is a limited time offer kit. It is only available through the end of February, and it's a super cute kit. It makes 2 one-page layouts, 1 2-page layout, so a total of 4 pages. 5 tags and 10 cards. So I just showed you the 2 one-page layouts. Here's the 2-page layout. And it comes with everything you need to make the kit except for adhesives and your ink pads for stamping. But it has all the paper. You can get the kit without the stamp set or with. I got the one with the stamp set. Here are the tags. How cute are those? I like the blues in this kit. You know, it's Valentine's, but it's not so over the top pink, which I love. I love the navy, the sapphire in there. So pretty. Anyway, so you can get it with or without the stamp set. It comes also with silver glitter gems, red shimmer trim. It comes with the cards and envelopes you need, and the stickers. So it's a very full kit. And I put all my cards in those protective sleeves. It does not come with those, unfortunately. But it does come with the cards and the envelopes. Oh, I love that card. So cute. So if you guys are interested in this kit, now is the time to get it. It's only available through February 28th, and then it is gone. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe if you want to see more, and leave a comment down below if you like this short little video or if you guys want longer, like more tutorial type videos. Let me know. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.